1, 2, 3, now! Sorry, Ranga, I had to adjust your side mirror. I haven't used it the whole time until now, and I decided to have a look. Can't see anything. Oh. Bit of juice, bit of acceleration. Getting left behind. Play catch up. Excellent. That was so fun. Oh wow, welcome to another...
Oh my god.
Welcome to another Do Not Disturb Dog Walk. Huh? We're walking with friends today. What they're trying to show me. Oh yeah, there's seals. Oh yeah, there is too. They blend in with the rocks pretty good. Yeah, so we're on a dog walk with friends today. Where are we? What's the name of this place? Red Rocks, okay. And there are seals right here. The seals were rumbling apparently. Having a little tussle, a little cuddle. Oh, Sir barks a lot over there. Oh, we're scaring the seals. I should have thought about that. I just wanted to get some good photography. But that's as good as it gets because I can't take my dog over there. The seals are all going, what the hell, don't bring your dog over here.
Sorry, that loose dog was stressing me out.
Oh, really?
You just never know whether they're going to come over.
So what are the rules down here? Are you allowed loose dogs or nah? I don't want to let my dog off.
Yeah. Like I let Rage off early on in me living out here, and he chased the seal into the sea, and it was like real rough waters too. He had his muzzle on. I literally thought that I was going to lose my dog that day. That was funny watching the young seal have the little shuffle. Yeah.
How many dogs have they got in there?
Those are the loose dogs that you don't want to meet. Like these matches can be rented out.
Oh, these ones? Like Airbnb? 300 a night?
Oh, up the surf. Up right? Wait.
Oh, I'll have to get off the road quickly. Hi, mate. Oh, what a marvellous place. Oh no, those people are getting out of their car. I wonder if they're going to let the dogs out. Oh, Quigley's just spied a seal that I didn't see until he notified us. I can see it, can you? There's a seal over here. Did you see it? It's right there. My dog saw it. It must have twitched. Because I'm pretty sure it looks like a rock. Oh look, they've got a telescope set up in the corner. There's even a little child standing on a chair to use it. Oh, I love the things you get to see. Just go somewhere. Guess what we did yesterday? On yesterday's recording, we jumped on the Days Bay ferry and went to Wellington and then walked around on Queen's Wharf.
True.
Yeah. And beyond.
You didn't jump out in the middle of the sea though, did you?
No.
Right.
We've got a rule on this channel anyway. It's called Never Mind the 6 o'clock news.
Yeah.
And we don't talk about anything to do, like anything controversial that might be on the news at the moment. No, who cares about current events unless they're current events in your life personally, you know?
Oh, exactly.
Or what we're doing right now is more than enough. Hey. I want to have a podcast called that. Never actually want to, if I make a podcast, I want it to be called Never Mind the 6 o'clock news. And I just want to have conversations with people from all over the country and talk about their news.
Yeah,
you know?
Their news.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not on here to talk about anything else but what's going on for you and your community.
Yeah.
That's my dream.
Never mind the 6 o'clock
Yep.
news. Sometimes you get seals up here too. Oh look, there's one there. Yeah, they'll jump out of the bushes at us.
Quigley, tootie tootie. That's our friend the seal. Hey, that's our friend. That's our friend, Quigley. No. That's our friend. That's our friend the seal. Come on, let's go. Calm your tits, mate.
Is it his first time saying hi to a seal?
I can't remember if he's met a seal before. I don't. I don't. We bumped into one in Seaview hiding in the bushes. His reaction was the same. I think he's frightened of them.
Oh, they get excited.
New creature.
Seals are just dogs of the sea, really.
Dogs of the sea.
Yeah.
Look at my dog. Quigley.
Oh, there's a baby seal. You see it?
A very small seal.
Very small seal.
Oh, it's frightened.
Little baby goes back to its mom. I was like, don't mind him. They're safe. I think baby seals are called pups as well.
They are called pups, I believe. Oh. Quigley's climbing up the back of me. Hey, Quigs. Oh, way out of focus. Why? What's going on? I don't know. It's almost midday.
I say it's one of the littlest ones we've seen probably.
For quite some time, yeah. Like another time around that Red Rocks, we saw a little
Well,
one.
that one wasn't that little.
It's a tiny. Oh, I saw a tiny goat all the way to meet Marlon. Another little.
Oh, yeah.
Not like
I saw some tiny ones the other day too. Actually.
yeah, like, you know, we're talking like less than a week.
Yeah.
This one. I'm like, oh my god.
I think I forgot to tell you what ones I saw the other day too. They're so little.
Like their hair isn't even really grown that long yet. They're just like a little jumpy.
I not have that goat I saw the other day with the.
Prolax or whatever. Prolax. Oh, don't look at the head. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking in case there's.
Oh, right.
I'm being vigilant. I'm watching the edge of the bushes as we
Yeah.
walk along.
That you feel a lot safer with a mother one. No, at least if they do jump out, he can't.
Yeah.
What are you expecting to jump out?
Seals.
Oh yeah.
Oh, right.
They do. If you get between them and the water, they're not happy, eh?
Understandably.
They let out this big like roar. It's quite a sight.
Quigley. Well, I knew to expect epic views if we came for a walk down here. And now it's cool to just be here in real life and see it with our own eyes.
We get the most beautiful sunsets, say like pink and purples in the sky and stuff. So
It's a shame that it's not a bit clearer because
Yeah.
you'd be able to see the high chorus.
Oh yeah, I know about that, yeah.
That four-wheel drive up there, if it's plate is big, then
there's been a few more wild kids out.
Walking in the craziest terrain. I respect my friend Ranga's choice not to wear a microphone. Good. It's like pin the tail on a donkey kind of thing. You can if you want to, you don't have to if you don't want to. I like that. Should have had a conversation with him about it before we started. Oh look, Rage is digging another hole. He loves digging. So does Quigley sometimes.
Get out of it, Rage. Sadly, Rage won't share his rocks.
Huh? He won't share his rocks.
No. A bit like a crackhead, they don't share rocks either.
You got your leg tangled up, mate.
Nice four-wheel drives coming around today.
This place makes me want one of those awesome six-wheel drive bloody man trucks or a Unimog or something. That's actually the Mitsubishi that I want. That one. That's the one I want. It's exactly the kind that I want. And I don't even want it for me, I want it for someone else. Got a young teenager who's got to start driving soon, and I'm thinking, oh, what if I get her a car for her birthday, you know, kind of thing. And a mean-ass Japanese four-wheel drive would be the bomb. Is this one of his spots?
Yeah.
Quickly found a pine cone, but it didn't go all...
Walk would be a lot more peaceful if I let him have a dig quickly.
Huh? Quigley didn't even have a dig. This terrain's very soft. Slow me down somewhat. Okay, back on the firm stuff. That's a good spot. Flat terrain up there.
And the loop-de-loop.
Huh.
Quite often we'll drive around this far, park up here, and do a quick walk to people skating back, do a quick dig. The bar obviously doesn't get around here, but the van does. The Rav, I got the Rav as far as people skate from the bottom of that road too. The mighty Rav.
The mighty Rav. You want to have a walk with Quigley?
Yeah, sure.
It's nice to have a friend and have a break. Now I get to have a break from walking doggy. Now that he realises you've got him, he might be a weirdo about it. Hey, you've got me. You've got me now.
Oh, what's that smell? You want to pee there too?
It looks like he's going to pee there.
Yep, you're going to pee there too? Yeah, he's going to pee there too.
Quigley, hey my dog.
This is all washed out again. You can see how it's done that.
Yeah.
Is that here when there's good smell? Sometimes the bottom track doesn't even exist.
It's all good, Quigs. I can't remember if I bought the bag of treats with me.
Oh yeah, we left our treats at home. Maybe they can have a treat afterwards.
Yeah. if I don't bring them on the walk, he's going to get treats later. Oh.
He's probably looking at you like, can I have you?
Actually, I think I might have them in my hoodie pocket, but it's hard to access at the moment because of my jacket. Here we go, bag of treats. Well, I try to, during my commentary on the recordings, usually I try to say words to the effect of, if you want to know how much dollars to donate, just give me $1 every time I give a treat to my dog. But don't tell me, because otherwise I'll start giving him too many treats.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Rage probably thinks that we're bringing another dog home. He knows Quigley.
Oh, I remember wanting one of those Isuzus for a long time.
Moose, yeah. Serious utility.
When I was a teenager at school, I was like, I'm going to get me one of those one day. I've got my heart set on it, you know?
Yeah.
But I never did get one.
They're real cool.
I've never even driven one.
They're still cleaning around. I haven't driven one, but I've driven a Isuzu Wizard, which is basically the four-door one.
Yep, I've driven one of those.
And like that went alright. The Wizard that I drove was a bit low to the ground. So,
whoa. Bit too zoomed in there.
that one will go anywhere.
Oh, Quigley, eh?
You good, Tyler?
She just did all that running. She's fine.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just coughing it out. This is about as much dog interaction as Rage gets these days, eh?
Oh, really?
Oh, it's sad because like we tried to adopt this dog that was going to get put down because it killed a cat. I told you this story the last time I saw you, I think.
Oh, yeah. So I remember you saying, I was surprised there wasn't another dog.
Yeah.
I didn't know that it was gone.
It lasted a day.
Oh,
We were
really?
doing all of the introductions correctly. Rage was fucking the nicest he'd ever been with a dog.
Right.
He knew that
Yeah.
like this is his chance to get himself a little friend. He knew Shadow, you know, is a dog that had met before and is a friendly, you know. So he was doing everything right. He's listening to us, and then at the point that we thought, oh, maybe we'll just let them run free now. They ran around for about 5 minutes, and then she fucking grabbed him by the face.
Oh, eh? And then you had to smack her around,
Yeah.
get her off him.
Yeah. It's pretty traumatic experience. I ended up getting bit in the process. I
I
don't.
was concerned about her growl because it said to you that after growl
But like, some female dogs can be quite growly, you know?
Yeah.
So like, it didn't, like to me it didn't seem like anything more than her checking him, and he wasn't getting in her space. But she certainly got in his space. And yeah, he didn't leave a mark on her. Oh, there may have been, she was a dark dog, there may have been like a scratch, but there was no blood coming out of her.
Well, he wasn't the aggressor. He was defending himself at most, and then...
But he didn't even want to defend himself because he thought that
Oh, well.
that's what we wanted, was to him to be nice.
Yeah.
So we were so proud of Rage, but like fuck, we felt terrible for like putting him in that position. We're like,
Well, she felt like saying straight away, I'm the boss, not you,
yeah, like
instead of submitting to him.
Yeah, she went from
Yeah.
being the queen bitch. Rage was prepared to be second dog, even though he wouldn't have been.
Yeah.
But like she knew that Rage was number one. But like he was being submissive to her. and she decided to take it the next fucking step
Right.
if I'm going to fuck you up. Which was not nice at all.
Well,
So we learned from that.
I feel like Quigley's not feeling any kind of disturbed from his presence.
Yeah.
But he's not also in a hurry to try and get over to him and spend time with him either.
Raging spent so much time not avoiding dogs, but just existing without needing to go see them.
Yeah. Yeah, Quigley's real attracted to most other dogs.
Yeah. Quiggles. What do you call them? Quigley Woggles.
Quigley Woggles.
Quigley Woggles.
The kids named him.
Yeah.
But, you know,
And I got Ragey Roo.
I've got a Māori name for him. Do you want to know what it is?
What's that?
Kia tere.
Kaltere
Kia tere.
Te Kuri.
Yeah.
That's the extent of my te reo. Oh, and Omarapati.
Oh, yeah. Omarapati.
But apart from the fact that Omar is run,
Yeah.
but we call them all Omarapatis.
Well, I speak Te Reo Māori to my dog most of the time.
They love it, eh?
He doesn't know any different. Oh, yesterday he was on the ground and I had to tell him to get up, which is hardly ever.
Yeah.
Hardly ever do I have to do that.
You let out a big etu.
Yeah. Etu. Etu Quigley. He got up straight away.
Yeah.
But hardly ever does he lay down on the floor. But that's because we went for a ride on a boat. And the whole time he was on the boat, all he wanted to do was like lay down.
I've wondered what it's like having a dog on a boat.
Well, same.
Oh.
Motorcyclists coming this way. Does that look like a bloody off-road bicycle to you? It must be if it's along this road.
Yeah. Or just someone that's very keen. Is that your...
Oh yeah, it's definitely off-road.
It's like a banana gun. It could be a telephone.
Woo! Wow, flicking stones.
Yeah. I'll take the guy on the bus. Is very keen to out here, or... Yeah.
You got to go fast, otherwise you fall over.
I'll put this back. I've been told to.
You put it back.
Sorry, I've got to put it back. I've got to go.
Take it back to where you got it from.
That's exactly what we did with Shadow the dog.
Yep.
We're like, nope, you're going back where you came from. Here's our baby.
Right.
Luckily, the girl that Shadow belonged to, that was trying to adopt her to us, was like, oh, I'm so sorry. I wasn't expecting that either.
Yeah.
And she paid the bill.
Right.
It's like $320 at the after.
Wow.
Little raging.
We've walked for 30 minutes this time. At this time.
How much further? The Devil's Gate is just there.
So we're going to make it to Devil's Gate.
Yeah, it's not
Oh yeah.
If you want to,
If it's another half an hour away, that's fine.
if you've got time to kill, we can go all the way to Red Rock.
Right.
I'm not.
I usually just like to walk for an hour.
Yeah. Oh, maybe we'll get to Devil's Gate and we'll assess.
Well, if we go any further than this, I'm saying it's going to be longer than an hour, but I don't mind.
I will just get to Devil's Gate.
Yeah. Devil's Gate. Yes, please. Maybe I'll...
Hopefully we can see some four-wheel drives go over. That'd be a good one for you.
Yeah. Is it the same one that I've driven through?
Devil's Gate.
Yeah. I don't know.
Have you been around the coast before?
Only a little bit.
Yeah,
From the other end.
If you have, from the other end, then you probably have.
All right.
No, I'm joking, mate.
I think when we had the little Suzuki, I went for a little... took a tour down.
that's right. Was it a Vitara that you had?
I think it was, yeah.
Yeah.
And it had big fat wheels on it.
Yeah.
Hey.
I think you owned. I think you owned that when I met you, or had you just sold it? It was on or around that time.
I
You definitely had the MX-5.
Well, I had the MX-5 before we had the Suzuki, and then at the time I was driving them both around and trying to decide which.
That's right.
And then I ultimately chose the road car because I don't know. Either way, it's a two-seater car to me.
The MX-5 was cool though.
I think the Vitara I should have kept the Vitara because it was cool for its reasons. I think I got rid of it to keep myself out of trouble so that I wouldn't do outrageous shit. With the road car, I had to stay on the road. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it's quite fun doing the off-road driving, I have to say. It's Quigley up too. Where are you going, bro?
What's that?
It's been like over a week with this
Yeah.
cold now. Even the pool probably doesn't help much.
Oh, at least it's only a full trip for that.
Oh, what a good day to spend a Monday public holiday. Oh, look, we have company. Briefly. Holly frolics on by. Would you call that frolicking? What is frolicking?
Through my little tibia and running around here.
Head from behind.
Yeah, though my dad had sprinting and running technique down.
Yeah, but my dad's not an amateur. What's the other word? Inept.
Him and my stepmom currently judge the way people run around the waterfront. And like,
Do they?
You should have judged, but
Sounds like.
Dad does know how to run.
But it sounds like. Sounds like they've got too much time on their hands. But
Exactly.
they're always so busy.
I think it's pretty dangerous to run around here.
Yeah.
Oh, the last time.
Around the long gully in here.
Yeah, the last time Marlon and me hung out was when you were at Pink.
Yeah.
And you had to feel that on the table.
Yeah.
I was telling Marlon about it. You can see it's like a little.
I see some seals. They're everywhere. And what's this called? The devil's something
I
else?
don't know what that is. That looks like a tooth. But when you're on the other name for it is Sinclair Head.
Oh, that's a cool vehicle to see. You don't see those very often. Just run them over, mate. Toot your horn. I didn't mean it. I just joke. I just make funny remarks like that.
What's that?
Oh, you know, like, it's because we played Grand Theft Auto,
Yeah.
the real old version of it, and you get extra points for running over certain people.
Oh.
You know, like, you get more points for running over certain kinds of people.
I didn't realise there was extra points.
There was, and sometimes it'd be the SWAT team. If the SWAT team's all running in a row, and you manage to run them all down, run all the SWAT team members over, get bonus points. And then there was gangsters and things like that.
It would be like extra points for like running over a priest or Donald Trump or something like that.
These guys are a long way from the hotel. Oh, look, a seal right there.
It's very cool how they do that. I just don't want to get too close.
Oh, he'll eat you quickly.
Did it let out a roar?
No. It looked like it was, but I didn't hear any sound. Oh yeah, I've been here. I drove over that with that little Vitara.
Yeah, the car is nice to handle. We haven't put the van over it yet.
Oh well, should we do that?
Oh,
We'll go back, grab the van, and come back here and.
I don't like doing it when it's the daily driver, eh?
Yeah, dangerous. If something goes wrong, you lose it.
Yeah, then we're back to one car.
I had the afterburners on there for a few seconds, so excuse me, I've got to cool down a little bit.
Someone might go up. Should we go around the other side?
The guy with the baby goes, sort of gets right of way. Oh look, the baby's got a little phone watching a movie. Oh, street tyres.
Yeah.
Sorry, Quigley, what are you doing? You're tangling yourself up, mate. Oh, yep, stuck. Should have gone fast. Tow bar in the sand. Uh-oh. Nope.
Always makes it worse and more nerve-wracking having everyone watching you too.
This rock's changed a lot since I saw it. Yeah, it made it this time.
You might hit people on the other side.
On the back.
Yeah, sure. Don't see any other cars approaching.
You see some fresh chips here too.
Yeah, so when I put my Suzuki over this, I stopped here,
Yeah.
and got out and went, woohoo!
Photo.
And then we drove down that side, turned it around and came back over.
You want a photo of the dog from...
It's coming back over that way, that sucks.
You right?
Oh, we're going to be famous now.
I'm going to get a real good shot of my mum and Rosie too. I love it. The mum made her DP on Facebook. Eh? She's like, yeah. We're going to be the keep friends. You made DP so great.
It's always these pictures up.
That's the most barking we'll get out of Quigley all day. He doesn't bark like that very often.
Nah, he's all good. It's a pretty interesting thing for him to see on a Monday morning,
Yep.
Monday afternoon, whatever time it is. Kind of like a cow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
I just say like dogs, they all have different options, so they like noises, and like some dogs have really high pitch.
I think that's Quigley's way of telling me to shut up. Hey, stop making those stupid noises, Marlon.
You don't feel like it.
Feels like everyone else is on
Hey,
holiday.
Ray.
They'll probably be super quiet today though. Yeah.
I don't know, too many live ones. Doesn't matter.
44 minutes. We didn't take a 30-minute ad break. Straight run on the recording, eh? Except for that video of the drive. Guess I want to record the drive out of here too. That'll be good. So, I have to save the B-roll for just some little snippets. I don't know why people have to run right past very closely, like when there's all this other area they could go. They just decide to aim straight for you. But anyway, each to their own. I'm sure we all do it to each other every now and again. Oh, it's the surf.
Yeah, the surf.
It's back again. They must have just went to town for some more bait. Now they're back.
Yeah.
Carry on fishing. Oh, hurry up. Oh, they got slowed down.
They just went out for a little 4-wheel drive and they're off back to Faro Bay now.
Oh, right. Yeah. Kids in the car.
See, that's the kind of surf that I got off with my Subaru. Same colour and everything. But you know, rather than Subaru than a surf. Well, I don't know. Let's get in there a little way.
Oh, there's another vehicle coming. God damn it. Woo! Put your seatbelts on. They didn't have their seatbelts on. Hey,
The seatbelt sign wasn't illuminated.
did I ever tell you about the time I was a clown in the Santa parade?
No, but you'd make a good clown, I reckon.
Well, the ladies that did my makeup and costume were just excellent. I looked so cool. And I just went along the parade finding all the people who were wearing shoes that didn't have laces.
Oh, yeah.
And I would point at their feet and go, "Hey, your laces are untied." And they would look down and realise that I just tricked them because they don't have any laces today.
Yeah.
Right? And I did that along the whole parade route. I just kept going to the sides and telling everyone that the laces are untied. I had such great fun with that gag.
That's a good one, eh?
I just came up with it on the spot too.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what the hell else was I going to do?
Improv
Say
is
some
something-
other random shit to people?
Yeah.
I could recite multiple lines of memorised monologues,
Yeah.
just lines from them. Anyway, I've also done statue busking.
Oh, when you're painted like grey.
When you're painted any colour, as long as
Oh, yeah.
everything matches, your whole costume and the face paint and everything.
They do a lot of that in London and stuff.
Yeah. Well, I know a guy who was doing it in Auckland. Sometimes he'd rake in like $700 just from doing it for the
There
day.
used to be a guy in Wellington that did it.
Yeah.
Um,
I did some paid gigs doing statue, like at corporate events, but you know, that's just paid by the hour or whatever.
yeah.
Whereas if you busk it, you've got the potential for any time of the day someone to go, you know what, I've got a bloody $100 in my pocket for this performance and I'm going to give it. I've come up with some live theatre performances that I want to do in public
Whereabouts would you do that?
or somewhere cool like Cuba Street.
Yeah.
And I would have like audience seats all set up
Yeah.
and people, when they get filled up with people, then the show starts, you know. And everyone who sits down has to, you know, scan the QR code and pay and then sit in the seat that they're assigned to, you know. And then just stand there like statues until the show, until enough people sit down to watch it. But that might be difficult, you know, like. But at least perform it in the street anyway, several times.
If they don't take that slowly, they're going to throw their passengers out of the train.
Yeah.
There's quite a lot of like massive ruts up there. Ow, great. I've got a muzzle to the ankle.
I want to put a muzzle on Quigley.
Doesn't stop them from barking.
No.
That's, yeah. When the muzzle and lead is on him.
He came face to face to it with a cat, and the cat was like, with some racial like, I couldn't believe he didn't react. I was like, shit.
Don't talk him up too much, Tyler.
I know.
He might play up.
You might jinx it.
So many times.
We want to
Like
get
when he attacked their fucking colleague. That wasn't cool. But hey. At least it could have been a lot worse. He didn't draw blood. Yeah.
But we want to get him away nice and level, like a bright orange.
Yeah, there's this company that makes them that was found through the Christchurch bull breed rescue. They're called truffle muzzles, and you can like basically design each different colour strap.
Oh yeah.
But it's going to cost like, you know, it'll be like 150 New Zealand by the time it's posted here. Yeah, when he ankle taps me, it's some like sort of, not like, kind of like PVC fake leather.
Oh yeah.
It's not plastic, if that makes sense either.
Well, I think I'm going to call it quits on the recording. I've only recorded 50 minutes or thereabouts, but I also recorded some of the drive, and maybe I should record some of the drive back, and that would fill up the other 10 minutes. And I don't like shooting over because then I end up having too much footage and trying to decide what to exclude.
What you're gonna do a little pan around of the seals, right?
We've seen a few seals.
Seen a few seals. Oh, what about the birds?
We get a lot of shags where we live anyway, so we've recorded a few shags in our time. We even seen some shaggins. I actually don't think I recorded that, but we saw it. Oh! The dog just punched me in the guts. Take the high road, eh? It looks the most firm. Woo! That's good, thanks for watching. This will be the coolest vehicle we see today. Hey! Let the fun drive commence. Is there a cute Quigley in the window?
There's a very cute Quigley in the window.
Who's that Quigley in the window?
What a comfy ride for him.
Up the surf.
Turn around and go back, bro. That's how you get out of here. Oh, that's right, I've got this backpack on. I need to take that off. Perfect. Ran out of water on that walk. worry, I didn't forget to give him some treats. Well, I did forget to give him treats all the way up until now. Huh? Sit. Oh, you are sitting.
Wait.
Tai hoa. One for tai. Okay. Good boys.